how to check unsent messages on Instagram. So if you want to check unsent messages on Instagram, then what you need to do is you won't be able to check that from your app, right? But what you can do is just simply go with your settings. If you're using an Android phone, then this will work for you. Go with settings and go with notifications. Under notifications, you can tap on notification history. Make sure that you've turned on the notification history. After turning it on, now if you scroll down, then you will find all of the messages that you've received from your Instagram. So scroll down and you will find the Instagram messages. You can tap on that Instagram section. Like for example, if this Chrome, let's suppose the Chrome is an Instagram. So you need to go with the drop down and here you will have all of the messages. Now, even if the other person deletes that message, you will be able to see that message right here under your notification history. So go and check your Instagram notification history and you'll be able to check all of the unsent messages. But if you're not using your Android and if you want to check the unsent messages, then you can open up your Instagram. Go with profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on account center and then go with your information and permissions. Tap on download your information. And after that, you can just go with messages. So tap on download and transfer information. Select your Instagram and go with next. And tap on some of your information and select messages and tap on next and select the following steps: download to a device or transfer to a destination. And after following the steps, you'll be able to download the messages. So in this way, you'll be able to check your unsent messages on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.